Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how you can use the Inventor to create this engine cover for the aircraft. The requirement is IDW file and relevant information must be meet Australian standard. First, let's look at the numbers. When you see 5,16, they're in the inch. So we need to convert it to the millimeter as Australian standard. So I would like to open the new drawings in standard, create, and would like to do a drawing on this plan. First thing I need to do, I want to cut in half. I only draw half and then draw the other half in 3D model. I started with the bottom line there. So 7.5 inch from the edge to the center point, which is I want to finish here. (7.5). Two things you can do. You can type in inch, or you can convert the numbers, which is most difficult. You can change from the manage. However, this is the easy way for us to do it. So they automatically to convert it to 190.5 millimeter. So you can see straight away. I would like to draw the second line, which is here, 5.16 inch. I just want to draw any lines and then I finish. And then I use the straighten function. (5.16 inch). Measure this one, 5.16 inch. Enter. Okay, so now I'm not sure they are in the same height or not in the same height, position left and right. So first I want to fix up the height of this object. But the height is 11 inch. Now use dimension, this line and this line, 11 inch. Okay, so that's pretty good. And then I measure this point and this point there, 0, because the center point to center point, this point to this point there. I would like to connect these 2 points together. All right. Connected. Now I would like to draw this line. So which is start from there going down. You see 2 lines here because they are in the radius. All right, so now this line there a little bit move in, is not in the corner. Now this solid line there is R5, so that's from this point there to there is R5, is 5 inches. And from there to there is 5.16. That means we need to start at 0.16 from the edge here and then draw a line there. What I want to do is just going there, draw a line all the way down. If I draw this one to there, and we say 0.16 inch, they will move to here. Now these lines have been finished. Now we need to work out 1.5, draw a line 45 degrees to meet the down line. 1.5 inch And then we got, doesn't matter the distance, I just want to tap it and type in 45 degree. I want this one 45, or the straight line, vertical line from there to here is 45. Therefore, this 45 is no good because they will measure from here to there, which is 90 plus 45, there will be 135. So therefore, I put 135. And then I use the trim function to trim this out and trim this out. And now I'm free, finish the loop from there to here to there to there. The radius of in this edge inside there, inside there, inside there, and outside here, we don't have to worry for now. And one more thing I need to do is draw a line, the center line. I don't need to draw all the way down, or I can draw all the way down, which is I just draw a little bit. And then I say, okay, so now I'm finish my drawing. Next step I do is revolve. So now I need to select the axis, which is this line there, and then round it. Okay, have a look. Move a little bit closer and we see what happened. Everything's good. Fill all the edges as required. The first one I want to fill is the top one, which is the show me 0.15 inch. That's from inside. If I go closer, I go inside. Apply. You must finish this first, otherwise they will carry over to the next one. So the next one will be 1, 2, 3 lines, 0.5 inch. So let's change that to 0.5 inch. And then 1, 2, and 3. And finish all the fillets. I'm happy with this result. And now I'm going to do this cut out. This cut out there is 1 inch and 6.39 from the center to the end of the cutout. And 11, just remember this number. From the bottom to top is 11 inch. So what I need to do now is going to origin to find out which one I need to draw. So it looks like this one, but on top of there. What I do is I go in there to click in, and then I go to plan, offset from plan. I drag it up, how far we want to go up, remember, 11 inch, and enter. If I move around, you can see they stick on the top. It stick on the top. So click on there until the right hand click until they change the color. Not left hand click, just edit. So all I need to do is cut out from there. And that's the edge of here. How do we can work out how much we want to cut out? So that's important to know the center point. Remember the center point we want to see it. So you need to go to project geometric, and then you work out the circle. When you click on there, the center point come up. Okay. I would like to put this drawing, and I put tab it and 1 inch. There's 1 inch width, and this one leave a little bit longer. Remember the figures I tell you to remember, 6.39 from the center to the end. So I'm going to do it now. Dimension, this line to the center line is 6.39 inch, and enter. They move to there. So I finish. Make this one invisible, disappear. extrude, this one there, and I want to cut all the way through, and then OK. Now they gave me exactly what I want. That's what I want. All right, from the side, from the top, save as, engine cover, and enter. So they save. And then I go to File, and go New, IDW Drawing Standard, and Create. Now I go to Base, and they pop up in here, which is showing the front view. If I want a top view, I go in there. However, that's my front view or top view. If I call this one's top view, depends where you look at it, and this one's front view. I only need this tool. I need to move this one all the way up and create a drawing from there. If this is cut out, I want it sitting on top of there. So I'm going to change to here. All right, so my 3D, I will allocate it in here. All right, that's the drawing for my object. Thank you.